Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can use UpBase to coordinate your scientific research projects. So, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is set up your project on UpBase. Now, don't sweat it. It's pretty straightforward. You just click on the New Project button, input your project's details, and voila. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for all your project-related activities and discussions. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite your team members. You'll find the Invite Members option in the project settings. Just type in their email addresses, and they're in. This step is key because it brings all your team members into one platform where everyone has access to the same information, ensuring seamless coordination. Next up, we're going to make use of the Task feature. Here, you can assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress. This helps us because it provides a clear pathway for your project, breaking it down into manageable chunks and making sure everyone knows their responsibilities. Now, let me explain why this matters. UpBase also has a feature called Project Timeline, where you can visualize your entire project's timeline and track the progress of tasks. It's like a bird's-eye view of your project, giving you a sense of control over the project's pace and direction. The final step is to use the Discussion feature. This is where you can post updates, ask questions, or simply brainstorm. It's a great way to maintain open lines of communication within your team, even when you're not meeting in person. To sum up, using UpBase for coordinating scientific research projects involves setting up your project, inviting your team, assigning and monitoring tasks, making use of the project timeline, and fostering discussion within your team. It's a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your project management process. And that's it for today's guide on using UpBase for your scientific research projects. Remember, effective coordination is the key to successful projects. Until our next tutorial, happy researching.